Hello, welcome back to the Rusty Blades Barber channel. So today I've got a bit of an unboxing to do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this package up and we'll have a look and see what's inside, and I'll see you in a second. So here we are, this is what I've just unpackaged. It is actually a cell phone desk stand, not barber related, but what you will see is when I show you around here, the amount of shite that I've got. I don't have much space, so I'm hoping that this bad boy is going to create a bit more space for me, so when I'm cutting hair, it'll look a lot better. So this is what we've got inside the box.
An eternity later.
And it does extend out quite far. And I'm just hoping that with all the junk that I've got down there, that it's going to free up some space. So this is what it looks like set up. I've got the mannequin there to recreate someone sat there in the chair. There's my phone, and as you can see from the phone, I know it's hard to tell with this stand there, but you can tell that the head's in good focus. If I play this, this is what it's going to look like. So it does look a lot better than it did before. It's going to be a lot sturdier, so I should be able to get some good cuts in. So this has been a little unboxing on the TARION cell phone desk stand. It was inexpensive, but I'm hoping that it can bring my videos up a little bit, and when I'm doing cuts that I'll have a little bit more room. So if you do like this, hit the subscribe, the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.